Hello everyone, this is Team JUETSentinel. So let's understand the problem statement. We have to provide a solution to analyze the sentiments of an individual or an organization expressed on social media. This will assist organizations in decision making and facilitate the overall growth of an individual or an organization. Let's see what does analysis and sentiment mean. Analysis is the process of breaking a complex topic or substance into smaller parts in order to gain a better understanding of it. Sentiment is a thought, opinion, or idea based on a feeling about a situation or a way of thinking about something. So now we know what is sentiment and what is analysis. Now let's understand what's the combination of sentiment and analysis tells us. Sentiment analysis involves analyzing text to determine the details about the polarity of a statement, whether the statement is positive, negative, or neutral, and by how much percentage for precision. It is achieved through NLP, that is, natural language processing. We will discuss this in detail in later part of this video. There are two major parts in this project. First, collecting data from social media, and second, analyzing the data through sentiment analysis. This is the flowchart of our understanding and solution devised by our team after analysis of the problem statement. Here we can see how we have implemented the back end and the front end that will help us achieve our desired goal. The user will be able to enter his required type of data input that will be processed and analyzed by us. Here we provide a dashboard to show the results that are generated by our system. The data that is provided by the user is validated first, then sent back to the server for pre-processing and sentiment analysis. It is then cross-validated from social sites and forums along with the understanding and results generated by our AI sentiment analysis model, which are then sent back to the dashboard for the user to ponder upon. Let's focus on the first part, that is, collecting data from various social media platforms like Twitter, Thread, Facebook, Reddit. Now, how will we achieve that? Twitter, Reddit, and Facebook provides a official API that can be used to collect data. For any other platforms, we are going to use open source tools. Like in case of Thread, we have built an API handler for Thread to gather data. This is the terminal view of our created API handler. Let's try fetching data for Mark Zuckerberg. We are entering the name. As is now, we have gathered the data through our API. These are his recent posts on Thread. Here we can see the information related to Mark Zuckerberg, like his location, reaction, and post. Now we'll run a program to clean it. Through our created program, we have cleaned and gathered the important data. Now that we have collected data from social media, let us analyze it using sentiment analysis. We have built this using NLP and transformer based models to perform our desired task. First, we take the text and perform data cleaning such as stop words removal, pure tagging, stemming, lemmatization, and since any NLP model cannot understand literal words, we need to convert them to tokens, which are then used to judge polarity and subjectivity of a text. Now, we'll run this gathered data on the analysis model. Now we can see the sentiment analysis of the data that we gathered, as our website also provides data input of simple sentences. Let's try running few of them on our sentiment analysis model. Let's try the sentence, this is good but can be better. Here we can see it is showing negative sentiment with 56% probability. Let's try running another sentence. I will not recommend this to anyone. Here we can see it is showing negative sentiment with 95% probability. As of now, we have successfully concluded both major sections of our project. Our next phase involves refining the model's capabilities by incorporating advanced techniques in sentiment analysis and NLP, such as LSTM networks for sequence analysis and transformer model like BERT for context understanding, make it ideally suited for handling social media data. To achieve this, we will seamlessly integrate the data collection and analysis components. The model will be empowered to analyze social media data comprehensively, utilizing techniques like word embedding, part of speech tagging, and named entity recognition. Additionally, we will implement sentiment analysis algorithms like weather and sentiment lexicons to gauge emotional tone accurately. Geospatial analysis will be enhanced through methods like geocoding and location-based sentiment scoring. To execute this integration effectively, we plan to build a dedicated website. The Figma layout of our website can be found below, outlining the user interface and data visualization elements. In this way, we are achieving our goal of project idea. That is, collecting data from social media, passing this data to sentiment analysis model, analyzing it, and providing a detailed report of analysis through our website. If you have any queries or doubts, feel free to ask them in our comment section or at the email ID given in the description box.